Okay. Good morning, everybody. Today we will discuss some of the problems given in JEE in previous 10 years, last 10-20 years. What type of questions they are giving in JEE from differential equations. So that we will finish this chapter by today. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter. Now, in 2002, they gave two questions from the differential equations. First question, 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole power 2 by 3 equal to 4 into d square by dx square. Then order and degree equal to dash. Then order and degree equal to dash is given. So, he is giving 4 options. We need to pick the correct option, we know. Now, how to find the order and degree I told you. Order, by seeing itself we can say highest order, highest derivative is known as highest order I told you. So, highest derivative is d square by dx square. So, order is 2 directly we can say. But degree we can't say directly because we need to convert into a polynomial. Means power should be free from radicals. Power should be always integers. Always positive integer. So, we need to make it free from radicals. So, it should not be 2 by 3. It should be only whole square. So, for that we will go for cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Then equation becomes 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole square equal to 4 cube 64 into d square y by dx square whole cube. And going for cubing on both sides. So that this 3 gets cancelled. Here 4 cube 64, here d square y by dx square whole cube. Now you can find order degree very easily. Order equal to doesn't change, highest derivative it is always 2 here. And next degree is after converting into polynomial, highest degree means highest power of the highest derivative. Highest power of the highest derivative I told you. So degree equal to, this is the highest derivative. Its highest power is 3. There is no another d square y by dx square. If another d square y by dx square is there, then you need to check for highest power of both. Here only one is there, that too highest power is 3. So degree 3. So order to degree 3. Order to degree 3 is the order and degree of the differential equation. Now, the second sum, d square y by dx square equal to e power minus 2x, then find the solution is asking. Then find the solution is asking. Solution of this equation is dash. Then it is given 4 options. We need to give the correct option. How to find the solution of this equation? To find the solution of this equation, what to do? We need to do the integration. If it is a linear equation, homogeneous, depending on the conditions, we need to solve the differential equation. But it is giving dx square. So, what do I want to do is, first of all, if it is d square y by dx square, we can write like this. d by dx of d square y by dx means d by dx of dy by dx of, so d by dx of dy by dx is nothing but d square y by dx square is equal to, he is giving e power minus 2x. Now variable separable. So bring this dx to that side, what happens? d of dy by dx equal to e power minus 2x into dx. E power minus 2x into dx. Now applying integration, anti-derivative and derivative integration cancels. Left out here is dy by dx equal to integral of e power minus 2x dx is nothing but e power minus 2x by minus 2. Observe, we have only first degree but it is giving second degree which is applicable with the concept of integration. Integration concept is anti-derivative. So if you bring that dx to that side, it is variable separable. Now this is anti-derivative. So d and d, anti-derivative differential integration, we discussed it like this only. So that concept is touching. That's why I told you, basics are very important for JEE, not the formula or something else. You need to concentrate only on the concept first. Now, this dx to that side, again dy equal to e power minus 2x by minus 2 into dx, variable separable. All the x to one side, y to one side. Integrating on both sides. Integral of y dy is y equal to e power minus 2x by minus 2 into minus 2 becomes 4 plus c. This is our final result. So the general solution of the equation is y equal to e power minus 2x by 4 plus c. Plus c. You will write, but there is a mistake. Again here I did small mistake. There should be constant here. So I will take this is integrating means always constant will be there. So plus this I can write as c1x integral of this is c1 dx. So it becomes integral of c1 is c1 outside, integral of 1 dx is x. So c1x plus another constant I need to implement c2. Because when you are getting a differential equation of order 2, you need to get two constants first. So c1, c2. Depending on the constants, you have to differentiate, I told. If it is the given equation, then eliminating this and converting into differential equation, you need to differentiate this equation for 2 times or not, because there are two constants. That's why I got d square by dx square in the beginning of the sum. So he gave differential equation, is asking the solution. So this is the general solution. If you eliminate these constants, back to the same, you will get the same answer. Next sum. 1 plus y square plus x minus e power tan inverse y into dy by dx equal to 0. Then the general solution is given in JEE 2003. Given in JEE 2003. So if you observe this, how can you convert this? Is it a variable separable? You cannot separate, because if you bring 1 plus y to that side, what happens? X minus e power tan inverse y equal to x minus e power tan inverse y equal to into dy by dx we get that equal to this plus 1 plus x square goes to that side, minus of 1 plus y square, minus of 1 plus y square. Now how can I separate? Here y is there, here x is there. Even if I bring this to this side and this to this side, one more x will be there. So if you observe this is like linear equation. This is like a linear equation. If I bring this part to this side now and dx dy by dx to that side, what I want to say is x minus e power tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square. 1 plus y square equal to minus dx by dy. Minus dx by dy. If I split into two parts and bring this minus to that side and minus to this side, so equation becomes dx by dy. This is, I am bringing this to this side, and here this part is as it is x by 1 plus y square, and this part to that side becomes e power minus tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. E power minus tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Now if you observe this equation, dy by dx plus py equal to q form, dx by dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are functions in y here. So this is a linear differential equation in terms of x. Linear differential equation in terms of x. You know how to solve a linear differential equation. So first we need to find the IF, integrating factor. So IF equal to e power integral of p dx. So this is equal to here e power integral of p dy, because this is a function in terms of y. P and q are functions in y. So this should be p dy. So integral of p is 1 by 1 plus y square dy. 1 by 1 plus y square dy. And one more thing I want to say, the same sum we did in terms of dx by dy, and in terms of x, in place of y we have x, in place of x we have y. In textbook sum, IP sum, that's what I told many times. Even this year 2020 also they gave textbook sum as it is for differential equations. So differential equations textbook, if you do properly, definitely you will get JEE one question. No other chapter gives you direct question, but for JEE differential equations they are giving only from the textbook most of the questions. Most of the questions. No guarantee, but most of the questions. Now this is equal to e power 1 by 1 plus y square is tan inverse y. Same sum we did 100% we did in IPE. Get recollected. Now this is general equation we need. General solution is y into if. Actually this is reverse adder. So x into if. X into if here is e power tan inverse y equal to integral of if into q dx. Here if into q dy. What is if here? We got e power tan inverse y into q. What is q here? E power tan inverse y by e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square dy. 1 plus y square dy. Now if you observe, if you take e power tan inverse y is t, this is let e power tan inverse y equal to t. What happens? Derivative of e power tan inverse y is e power tan inverse y into inner derivative 1 by 1 plus y square equal to dt by dy. So this part becomes, whole becomes dt. This is t. T dt. So it's nothing but t square by 2. T square by 2. So your final general solution is x into e power tan inverse y equal to t square by 2. 2 means t square by 2 plus c as usual. T means e power tan inverse y by 2 whole square by 2 plus c. You can leave like that, but there will be options. So depending on the options, you simplify this. In the options is giving in terms of x. Means it's cancelling with e power tan inverse y. So x equal to e power tan inverse y whole square by 1 times gets cancelled. 1 more e power tan inverse y by 2 plus c into e power minus tan inverse y. This is final option. So like this, you can proceed for differential equations. Differential equations में maximum they are asking degree, order or solving. Solving it can be linear or homogeneous or variable separable. So previous one they gave variable separable with d square by dx square to confuse you. But here directly linear equation they give. Most of the questions are linear only. That is also there in the, if you observe previous questions. And next question is the differential equation. Find the differential equation of the equation x square plus y square minus 2ay equal to 0 is. The differential equation of x square plus y square minus 2ay equal to 0 is given in JEE 2004. This is given in JEE 2004. So how to solve this? Means here there is only one arbitrary constant. Observe 2002 में he gave forming order and degree. 2003 में he is giving solving equation. Now 2004 again forming equation like this, but not like that. If you observe, is happening also. Means most of the time these two questions only they are asking. Differential equation is only two things we have: order degree or that finding the general solution. Now this is finding the order degree type. But he is asking equation, differential equation. Means not the order degree, he is asking to form the equation. After forming, we will find order degree. So he is asking to form the equation. There is only one arbitrary constant A. So you have to eliminate this constant. To eliminate this, only one constant means you need to differentiate for only one type. So diff with respect to x. Simply diff with respect to x. This becomes 2x plus y square derivative is 2y into inner derivative dy by dx minus 2a into dy by dx, 2a into dy by dx equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, how do I eliminate a from this equation? I need to eliminate a from this equation as usual. So, there are two ways of doing this. One is bring this to this side, then finding a. Or here finding a and substituting here. Or solving both the equations. How can I solve both the equations? I can multiply this y and this with y dash. This with y, this with y dash. Then subtracting both. 2a by y dash, 2a by y dash gets cancelled. So like that you can do many of the ways. I am multiplying this with y and this with y dash. So this equation becomes 2xy plus 2y square into y dash, dy by dx is y dash, minus 2a y dash equal to y dash equal to 0. Now this with y dash I am doing. So becomes x square y dash plus y square y dash minus 2ay dash equal to 0. So subtracting both, what happens? What do I get? Directly differential equation I will get. Subtracting both, so that a will be eliminated. Minus, minus, plus. So these two gets cancelled. Now this is 2xy minus x square y dash, and this is 2y square y dash minus y square y dash becomes y square y dash. Y square y dash equal to 0. Equal to 0. So this is the differential equation which we need. If you want y dash, take common, because depending on the options we have to proceed always. So if I take y dash common, this becomes y square minus x square plus 2xy equal to 0. This is our option. So you need to eliminate the constant. It is called as forming differential equation. So if you eliminate, you will get the differential equation. So to eliminate, process is your choice. You can multiply elimination method, or you can go for different. One more method I taught you, determinant method. We can find the determinant by taking those as a constant. Many ways are there. So anyway, you need to solve the differential equation. So pick out of all the methods which is best to eliminate the arbitrary constant. You have to pick. Don't go blunt methods. Next sum. Y square equal to 2c into x plus root c. Then find the order and degree. It is asking order and degree of the equation is dash. Order and degree of the equation is dash. Given in JEE 2005. Given in JEE 2005. So 2004 me is asking order. Again 2005 also order and degree only. Observe. So solving the equation only. So how to solve? There are only see one constant, one arbitrary constant in the equation. So you need to differentiate for only one time. So automatically arbitrary constant will be eliminated. How do we eliminate arbitrary constant? First we will go for differentiate with respect to x. So y square derivative 2y into inner derivative dy by dx equal to, here 2c into x derivative 1 and constant derivative 0. So that is 2c. So 2 if I cancel, I will directly get c equal to y dash. Substitute in the given equation, automatically constant will be eliminated. Means y square equal to 2 into c means y dash into x plus root of y dash. Root of y dash. Now you can leave like that, but depending on the options you have to proceed. So you need to simplify. You need to convert it to differential equation. It is not a differential equation because root is there. It should be free from radicals. So you can write y square minus 2y dash x equal to 2y dash into root of y dash. Squaring on both sides. S4bs. Then this root will go up. Left out equation you can find, that is the required equation. That's it. Next. Observe, the option may will find this, Take it. If you want, you proceed like this. Next, solve the differential equation. X into dy by dx equal to y into log y minus log x plus 1 using given in JEE 2005. Solve the equation. Means it can be variable separable or homogeneous or linear. By observing itself, you can say that you did in textbook this time, this is homogeneous. How can I say homogeneous directly? See. Solve the differential equation is given. What is the differential equation? X into dy by dx equal to y into this. This I can write as log y minus log x means log of y by x. Log of y by x plus 1. Log of y by x plus 1. And if I bring this y to this side, whole by y. Means, observe, this is a homogeneous equation or not. If you want, you can write like this. Y by x log y by x plus y by x plus y by x. Now, let y equal to bx. let y equal to dx. Now dy by dx equal to, you know that, v plus x into dv by dx. So here v plus x into dv by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to, this becomes v, y by x means v into log v plus y by x is again v. You can cancel v on both sides. Then you can go for variable separable. Then you can go for variable separable. Means all the v's to one side, x to one side. Becomes dv by v log v. dv by v log v equal to dx by x. dx by x. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. How to integrate this? You can take log v equal to some t. Log v equal to some t. Then 1 by v dt is dt. So integral of dt by t equal to integral of x is log x plus c. I can write as log c because I am getting on this side also log. So log integral of 1 by t means log t. Log t equal to log xc. Log xc. So then log cancel. T is equal to xc. T means back substitution I need to take. What is t actually? T is log v. Log v. V means y by x. So log of y by x equal to xc. So the final equation, if you observe, it will be y by x equal to e power xc. E power xc implies y equal to x into e power xc. Y equal to x into e power xc. This is the final equation. You can check in options. So this is how we will solve a differential equation, which is homogeneous. Homogeneous means always y equal to vx. If y equal to f of x passes through 1 comma 1 and satisfies the equation y into 1 plus xy into dy equal to x dx, then find f of minus 1 by 2. JEE 2016, I jumped to 2016. Remaining I will send through the PDF today. You try them, and if you have doubt, ask me. Y into 1 plus xy dy equal to x into dx, then f of minus 1 by 2 is asked. Observe the equation. This is the equation. This equation satisfying this means y is nothing but solution of this is saying. And then that curve passes through 1 comma 1 means particular solution. Instead of general solution, after finding general solution, if you substitute 1 comma 1, you will get particular solution. After finding particular solution, is asking f of minus 1 by 2. So in place of y, is asking to substitute f of x, then finding f of minus 1 by 2. Understanding sum is important here. Now, how to solve this equation? So this is a homogeneous again observe. So if I bring x to this side and y dy to that side, what happens? It becomes y by x or x by y like that. Then you can convert into homogeneous equation or linear, depends on the situation we will proceed. If I bring dy to this side, x to this side, what happens? Y by x, and this is x by dx by dy. So no use. So I need dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, or I will bring dy to this side, becomes y plus xy square by x divided by x. If I bring this x to this side, becomes dx by dy, becomes dx by dy. If I split into two parts, it becomes y by x plus y over y by x plus xx gets cancelled, y square equal to dx by dy. If you observe, this is like if I bring this to that side, becomes dx by dy. Can it be converted into linear equation or not? We'll check. It won't be. There will be some mistake in this. I copied some small mistake. This is dx, this is dy. Make the correction. This is dx, this is dy. Means it becomes dy by dx. dy by dx. dy by dx equal to this. dy by dx equal to y by x plus x y square by x. And cross check, is there any more mistake? I think this is only the mistake I copied. Now let y equal to vx. Let y equal to vx because I have y by x here. I have y by x here. So let y equal to vx or x equal to vy. Which is better? If I take x equal to vy, so this is vy cube, not homogeneous actually. It can be converted into like that. So dx by dy equal to minus y by x into this. Okay. This can be converted into Bernoulli's or you can like let y equal to vx you can do. Any mistakes copy also some. So, if I take y equal to vx, then dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. So, v plus x into dy by dx, sorry, this is dx by dy by dx only. Again I have this dy by dx equal to so and so I have. So, dy by dx equal to y by x plus y square I got. So, I am taking y equal to vx. So v plus x into dv by dx in place of dy by dx equal to, I got, this is vx by x becomes v. This is v square x square. Now if I cancel v on both sides, if I cancel v on both sides, very tricky sum observe, this is not linear, they are not homogeneous actually, not of the same degree, but if you substitute kx comma ky you will get the same, like that. So this is, if y equal to vx I am taking, then dv getting cancelled observe. So it becomes x into dv by dx equal to v square x square. Now you can go for variable separable. All the v's to this side means dv by v square equal to x square by x means x dx. This x I can cancel for one time. So that becomes x square by x becomes x dx. Now integrating on both sides. What a tricky sum. Integrating on both sides. So what happens? We'll check. So integral of dv by v square equal to integral of x dx. Integral of x dx. And you need to get these ideas at the time of exam itself. How I am getting here itself. You need to get at the exam. That is most important. Then only you will get it. So integral of 1 by v square means v power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 equal to integral of x is x square by 2 plus. So what is this minus 1 by v? So minus 1 by v nothing but v is y by x. So minus 1 by y by x becomes minus x by y equal to x square by 2 plus c. X square by 2 plus c. Now I need y here, not x by y. So I need to find y here. Before that this passes through 1 comma minus 1 is saying. So substitute 1 comma minus 1, what happens? So minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 plus c. So what I want to say is c equal to minus 3 by 2. C equal to minus 3 by 2. So in place of c, I can substitute this minus 3 by 2. Then the equation becomes minus x by y equal to x square by 2 minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. If I take 2 LCM and simplify, what do I get finally? What do I get? I will do here itself. So if I take 2 LCM and bring on to that side, minus 2x equal to y into x square minus 3. This x square minus 3 to this side, y is equal to minus 2x by x square minus 3. Now he is asking y is f of x. So f of x equal to this much. y is f of x is same. So f of x equal to this much I got f of minus 1 by 2. So wherever x is there, substitute minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 by 2. By minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 minus 2. 2 to cancel. 1 by, this is 4 LCM if I take, this becomes minus 11 by 4. So becomes minus 4 by 11. Minus 4 by 11 is f of minus 1 by 2. So this is how you can solve.